In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task on ClickUp. If you've ever found yourself navigating through ClickUp and wondered about how to efficiently remove unwanted tasks, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to clean up your workspace or manage ongoing projects, deleting tasks in ClickUp is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently deleting tasks with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your ClickUp account and navigating to your workspace. This is where you'll locate the task you intend to delete. If you have a myriad of tasks, using the search function in ClickUp can be particularly helpful. Simply type the name or elements of the task to quickly pinpoint its location. A neat workspace ensures that you only focus on what truly needs your attention, eliminating the clutter that can easily overwhelm. Once you've found the task in question, the next action you'll take is to right-click on it. A small menu or drop-down bar will promptly appear, providing you with several options related to the task. This right-click menu is a useful feature, offering quick access to various task actions without having to navigate through multiple tabs or pages. As you explore ClickUp more, this menu will become an invaluable tool in your project management arsenal. Now, within this menu, you will notice several command options, but since our focus today is on deleting the task, you simply need to select Delete. This action will initiate the task removal process. For those concerned about making accidental deletions, ClickUp usually prompts a confirmation step, ensuring that any task deletion is intentional and won't affect your project inadvertently. Confirm when prompted, and the task will be permanently eliminated from your workspace. Remember, deleting a task cannot always be undone, so if there's any doubt about needing the task in the future, consider archiving it instead. Archiving keeps your task out of sight but not gone forever, allowing you to retrieve or refer back to it later if necessary. And there you have it. Removing a task in ClickUp is as simple as that. By understanding these steps, you can maintain an organized, efficient workspace, allowing for enhanced productivity. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your project management system, ensuring it serves your needs effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and happy ClickUpping!